Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to update an expired credit card in Apple Wallet. First, contact your card issuer. Some banks or issuers automatically update the expiration date and security code in Apple Wallet. If that's the case for you, your card will refresh on its own. If your issuer doesn't support automatic updates, you'll need to remove the expired card, then add your new one. Here's how. Open Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Wallet and Apple Pay. Select the expired card, then tap Remove Card. Now let's add the new card. Tap Add Card. Follow the on-screen prompts to enter your new card details, including the updated expiration date and CVV security code. Important note, you cannot directly edit the expiration date or CVV of an existing card in Apple Wallet. It must be removed and re-added. And that's it. That's how to update an expired credit card in Apple Wallet. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.